Alright, I think I found a beat for this, so y'all just let me know what you think.
Turned up to the max, boo. Bad as hell, so we had to. New era, let's snap back. My name, her next tattoo. Shorty here, she bad too. No love song, but mad cute. Shout out to the real ones. RP to my last few. RP, she had to. Kill the scene, murder things. I'm young and wild, but hold me down and I'll show you how I do things. I did time, I'm home now. I'm my own man, I'm grown now. But the way you break it down, shit, I just lost control. You know how to do things. Work magic like Dude Blank. We kick it like Luke Kane. I'm here now, what you think? She hypno, my blue drink. My mind gone, I'm insane. I've been a boss, I've been afraid. But she bad like amen. I'ma hold it down to the very end. Hold it down, cause we here to win. We in this bitch like VIP. We in this bitch like TIP. Showing out for my people. Showing out cause we do this. Showing out for y'all hoes. Bitch, I straight lose it.